you stand. For example, if you are going to create a supplier ecosystem, ERP is not the place where you should get the workflow. If you are automating your R&D, ERP cannot do. ERP is not meant for that.
Yep.
Okay. So if you are going, then if you are going to have a PLM, it has got its own. For example, if you have more employee engagement, ERP cannot give that. So if you are talking about the manufacturing process and related, enough capabilities are there, and the latest version has much more capabilities, but fairly it is available. But because of mindset, many people may not try to put that into use. That cannot be the drawback of ERP that I wanted to add here.
So, like he says, every system has its own limitations. So, frankly, workflow is not a small workflow. So, if you deep down into, then you have the different type of requirements. Let me give a simple example. Suppose you need an approval from 4 people, 3-4 people in parallel. Now, approval going through one way, I approve this, it's okay. But there may be queries and clarifications required in parallel. And if somebody asks any clarification, does it go to everybody? And then again, should everybody reapprove it again? Those who have already approved. So there are the challenges and we need a specific tool to fulfill these type of requirements. So frankly, I don't know the capabilities of as of now to your product.
Can we have that right side presentation? Next one.
But definitely simple task management tool, if you ask me frankly, you won't find the good task management tool in the market which can be readily deployed and which can fulfill the requirement of end-to-end mapping of the cycle.
Yeah.
Cycle is very important.
Yeah.
Like email or any communication, it's a one-way traffic. That does not serve the purpose.
Absolutely.
And finally, when you approve something, now who needs this? It has go automatically to the any ERP or any shop floor system to as a trigger to the next level event.